Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to show you how you can download Whataburger app on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to tap on the Play Store and check if Whataburger is available on your region or not. However, as it is not available in the Play Store, you need to simply go in Google and type in whataburger-en.aptoid.com, which will lead you to an app called Aptoid, where you can simply download Whataburger. Once you press download, Aptoid will give you instructions which you need to follow to get it downloaded on your phone. So after some quick processes, the Aptoid app will get downloaded and installed in your device. So once it is installed in your device, the Aptoid app will go through a security scan, and once it passes the security scan, it will then lead you to Whataburger app. So as you open the Aptoid app, through the link you can see the install button for Whataburger. So you need to simply give access to the Aptoid app to download Whataburger. So after a few minutes it will get downloaded and then quickly get installed in your device as well. So in few minutes Whataburger will get downloaded on your Android device. So this was how you download Whataburger on your device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.